Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to download the stock ROM. I'm going to take it for a drive, get a base log on the fuzz. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I'm in the car now and I finally worked out how to do screen recording, thanks to one of you guys. So let's plug in the laptop, and what I've done so far is I've put the blue connector in from the TACTRIX, and I've also connected the two green terminals underneath the dash 2. So hopefully when we connect it up, it'll recognize it and we can download the ROM. Alright guys, so I've got ECU Flash open. I need to connect the TACTRIX to the vehicle, and I'll plug it in. This is a long cord. That's not the cord. There's two cords here. One's power for the laptop. Plug that in. Like I said before, we always want to have this plugged in, so there's no risk of computer going flat. So, alright, and I'll plug this in and we'll get onto the screen. Alright guys, I'm going to go into ECU Flash. Alright, as you can see down the bottom here, just selected the Rexy, but what we're going to do is open up a ROM that I got from ROM Radar. This is my Forester down here, 0102 Subaru Australian delivered Forester Turbo. So what we're going to do is we need to read from ECU. Okay, so in there. Alright, so apparently we need to get this like perfect with the timing. In flash mode. First time. Yeah. Alright. Freaky. Reading. Make sure that your battery on your car is pretty good. Doesn't take too long. I do have a pretty new computer, so that might be why as well. It's a bit. Come on. In use. So this is my stock ROM coming off. There we go. If you're done with the ECU, turn off and remove the green test mode connectors. You do. Alright, so that's off. Alright, so here we've got all the stuff that I can change pretty much. What I'm going to do is save as programs ECU Flash. Save it here, so we'll go Harrods FOS GTT. And I'm going to save that. And just to be careful, I'm going to save it again. I'll do another save as. And I'm going to, instead of stock, I'm going to put tuned. What I'm going to do every time I change something, I'll put it under tune. I'll do save as. So we're going to be saving every progression, pretty much like it's saving a game. I'm going to go back to certain points. I'm going to do Harrods FOS GTT in the twin turbo, tuned, and then I'll do math. So I know that I've done the math. Okay. Then after I do the math, I'll probably end up doing some injectors. So I'll do tuned injectors. Does that make sense, guys? Yeah. So we'll see how we go with the stock injectors. See how far we can get. Got some 1300 cc's. It did come with a printout of all the data on that, so it's going to be pretty handy when time comes. Yeah. So now we are in the tuned section. So I don't need to be in the car anymore to play around with this, but we can see what we can change. Oh, this is awesome. So I am boosting. So there's my boost graph there. So this is all stock. We can play around with that later. We are doing math at the moment. Down to math. Pretty small one. Where are you? Here it is. Math airflow. Sensor scaling. Cool. So I believe I need to increase this by 16%. We'll go have a look. And yeah, this. Actually, I was going to take this for a drive, wasn't I? So we can get a baseline on the stock, and then we can see the differences, and then we'll rescale the math. Yeah. So I went back and saved them again because I couldn't find them. So I've put them into a folder where I can easily find them in documents, ROMs, and FOS 0102, and then Harrods FOS GT. Tuned and stock. So nice and easy for me to find. Just in documents, ROMs is the original. ROMs, FOS. There we go. Two images there. So stock, so we're not touching that one at all. We're just touching this one, and then we'll add when we start doing stuff. Cool. Alright guys, so I just disconnected the green connectors on the 0102 FOS. It's only got one wire in those green connectors. There's a white connection there that I believe the blue connector goes to. So I'm just going to keep that in there all the time. I think that should be alright for driving around. What gets I get ROM Raider up, and I might just sit here and idle and just check what different things I need to be tracking. Mainly because I'm alone at the moment, so I've got the boys here, so I'm not going to be going out without them. So I'll put the FOS back onto the ground and yeah. Alright guys, the fuzz is back down on the ground. Might actually wait until tonight. It's Tuesday night. I didn't do anything on Monday because I really hurt my neck, like having spasms. Still getting a little bit today, so I might be looking a bit funny, but yeah, bear with me guys. Yeah, I'll wait until the missus is home, kids are in bed, and well, not necessarily the kids are in bed, but wait until she's home. Just open up the garage door here and just have it running, idling, making sure everything's good. I don't think I need to move the exhaust a little bit. I don't think it's sealing 100%. It might be out by like a mil and a half. So we'll get to that soon. That might be why it's dripping down, because there's a little bit of a gap. But that could also be why that O2, my air fuel ratio gauge sensor down there, isn't the best. Just could get a bad reading there. But it's getting there, boys. It's the start of the tuning. Pretty excited. I've got a stock ROM file saved, so if we do stuff up anything, we can just convert it back to stock anyway and start all over again. So I'm not too concerned now. The only thing is that I don't brick it, so voltage doesn't get too low when I'm uploading or downloading the ROM off the ECU, and yeah. Alright, I'm going to head inside, finish watching Trolls with the little man, and probably get some dinner going. Alrighty guys, I'm back. It's another day I didn't get out here last night. So I need to be able to get these videos off my laptop, so I've got a USB with me. I want to start the car up and hopefully do some logging, just sitting here idling and see how everything's looking, and we'll put that up. Oh, also need to download an app or program on the HP to show you guys the logging as well. Hey guys, what are you doing? Hey. Alright, so I just connected TACTRIX cable again. We'll put it into the laptop and we'll get a log going. Alrighty guys, so I can't connect to the ECU for ROM Raider. I'm struggling. I'm going to go inside and watch a bit more on my course, see if I can work out how to do that, because it's really what's stopping me. Sorry about that guys, you have to bear with me. This is obviously the first time I've done this, so if you're pretty keen, hit that subscribe button, see what's coming up, and if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next episode. Thanks for watching, bye.